couple of jobs to do this week. So we're going to put a hole in down here. That's for the electrical hookup. And then we're going to be putting the rest of the insulation in. Some of the sound deadening, like above the cab, fell off in the past week, which is really annoying. The rest of it has stayed on, so I don't know why that stuff fell off, because you saw me put loads and loads of glue on it. So I'll have to have a look at that. And then, yeah, we've got a bit of sound deadening to put on the wheel arches. And I've also found we've got a bit of water ingress, which I think is from the step just behind the front seats. So I've got a few holes to seal up there. So let's get cracking. Right, so we've got most of it all done. We've got insulation, this closed cell foam stuff, this stuff, lovely stuff. That is all on all of the rear bits. Still going to do a couple of sections up here and the bottom of the rear doors. And then it's a case of taping, aluminium tape all the gaps up, and then put in all the recycled plastic bottle fluffy stuff in all these cavities. Join up a few bits with some offcuts. Still got to do over the cab as well up there. But yeah, progress. Where's the glue gone? But for now, I'm going to carry on sticking this fluffy stuff in. That is the insulation basically done. We've got all of the plastic bottle stuff on top of this closed cell foam. We have run out of the plastic bottle stuff though. I was told that I would need the XL pack for this van. I bought the XL pack and we're short on this stuff. So I don't know if we've used too much. I'd rather have too much than not enough, but we've still got to do the roof. So I'm going to get another roll for the roof. And I'm probably not going to film that because it's just sticking stuff on the roof. But we got the solar panel cables still in. We've got an electric hookup down in that corner. So electrics are going to be down here. Tomorrow we're picking up bed frame. So that's just the IKEA Scorver beams. We've got 3 of those to go in here. And then first fix electrics are going in. So we'll tie these over to the edge, along, down, solar isolator. We've got a multi-plus, a load of Victron stuff. So yeah, we're getting there. This is a big step though. Well happy that we've got all the insulation in, apart from the top stuff. So I'm going to email the people. Oh, we've got a little bit to do here as well. Put some expanding foam to cover this hole here. Oh, it's still a bit shitty, but we'll see. It might. It's probably enough actually, to be fair. Yeah, that's going to be good enough. We'll push that in nicely. It's just to make me feel a bit better more than anything, having that in there. So yeah, cool. We can stick a bit more foam in there, close cell foam on that little corner. And yeah, I'm going to message the insulation company and get some more sent out, hopefully. Probably going to have to pay for it, but we'll see what sort of messages we can send and see if they take pity on us. Cracking job. Oh, and we've got to put the recycled plastic bottles on the back door as well. But sides are all done. Back door top is done, but we've just got to do the bottoms of it. And then got to go buy a load of plywood. Oh, we've got to do the floor as well. So we've got to do the floor. So we've got another load of closed cell foam floor, and I found that the side sliding door, if we have a look here, so up here there's a seal. Oh, it's still soaking because we've just had rain. This is how I found it out. So there's a seal, door seal here, and it's not great. So it's actually just pouring water in. So I thought that when we'd put the vents in that we'd screwed up somehow, but apparently not. It's not our doing. So new door seal on the side, and that should keep us nice and dry again. So if you've enjoyed this one, it's been a bit boring, I imagine, but insulation's done. We're on to exciting stuff next, I think. That's going to be, we'll put the bed in. Got to do the headlining thingy to insulate over the headlining. Then put the bed in. And then it's electrics and wood paneling for the floor and the walls and running wires and stuffs. So we might have a planning episode for the electrics, but we'll see. Happy days. Hope you enjoyed it. Like and subscribe. See you in the next video.